The number one question I get is, how can I get rid of wrinkles? I'm going to show you how to transform a lady into a model. My makeup philosophy is that I like it to be flawless, I like it to be natural. According to Bobby Brown, makeup is not about how you look, it's about what you do look like. Makeup is a way to enhance who you are, make you comfortable in your skin, and make you feel better about yourself. You have to embrace yourself, embrace your age, no matter what color of skin you have, what color of eyes you have, what color of hair you have. Anyone can make themselves look beautiful. I'm going to teach you how to cover up the little wrinkle spot on your face, how to use anything from a pencil to a cream, to even a coconut oil. This is like an ideal treatment. I would like to demystify your makeup kit in order to make you look flawless and natural as possible. Makeup should not be a mask. Makeup should not change the way you look. It should enhance who you are. She does not need anything else. She looks absolutely beautiful.
Thank you, Peacesent Makeover. Love you.
I am Peacesent Makeover, and this is my YouTube channel.